Hey guys, welcome to VidiKit channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to record live stream video easily. First, install Joyoshare VidiKit and run it on your computer. Choose Record, Screen Recorder. Click the gear icon to reset recording settings. Here, you can change storage location and output video format. You are able to click the gear icon at the top right corner to specify codec, quality, resolution when you change the format according to your intention, and set watermark as you want. The buttons like record time option, shortcuts and cursor options in this powerful panel is also available for you. Hit triangle button to select standard ratio, or click the rectangle button to customize recording area by dragging and dropping blue frame. Now, you can press rec button to start recording aid for opening the live stream that you want to record. The minimize toolbar gives you power to skip, stop and cut unwanted content. Once you have done your recording, you can edit, trim and rename your well-recorded videos. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.